20 minutes to 5, and obviously I've got 20 minutes to get this thing done and figure out what's going on. 120 degrees outside,
brutal,
super humid. I gotta get off this roof quick and get this done and get out of here. Survival.
Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance, where I show you how to make the most likely repairs you'll need to make in your lifetime. If you'd like to get the latest videos, subscribe and then hit the little bell icon
right at the subscribe button,
and it'll notify you of any new videos when they're released for you.
Alright, got an AC not cooling, and I accidentally pulled the AC next to it, the disconnect, so had to wait 5 minutes to plug it back in, so that one's alright, but this one, something's up. Probably this capacitor's here. Looks pretty tired. Got a 35.5 on it. Gonna discharge the capacitors. And gonna check for continuity to ground, just to rule that out. Got some new fuses, ready to go. And I just want to make sure my fan isn't grounded. Nothing, just going over the simple check to ground, just so I don't make anything worse, you know. Gonna check my capacitors. I bet you this capacitor is bad. Way hot today, 119 degrees.
Check my phone.
Expected to be even hotter tomorrow.
And actually I'd reached 120 at this time.
Okay, there's our fan, and it looks like this one's just got Herm right there. Way hot on this. I bet you this thing's bad. I can see the bulge in the capacitor, so. Oh, it's way hot. Okay. Can't hardly touch it, it's so hot. There's the Herm. There's the comp. Okay. That's a 5 and a 35. Give it up. Okay. So we'll test those real fast. Okay. Looking at 4.75, so that's actually good. Common, I can see this one's bad. Common and Herm, common and fan, bad, okay. So our 5 microfarads, okay, but I'm just going with the new one. I gotta hurry and get out of here. Here's the hard start kit. This one's 48.4, so that's good. Okay. So hard start kit's okay. Oop. Camera fell. Okay. Here's a 5. Looks like just our capacitor was bad there, so, and here's a 35. And just gotta start. Common. Start. There you go. And now we need our hard start kit, 1 lead to each side. Got my start wire in the front for ease of use in the future, ease of testing. There we go. Just hang this right there. There we go. We're ready to run. All set. Check my fuses. And see real quick. Check the alt test. One good, one bad. Okay. We're both good. Okay, fuse is nice and tight. We're ready to run. Here goes. Hopefully the contactor is pulled in. Yeah. Started right up. Fan motor's going the right way. AC's running good. AC done good. Pump it up. Give it a few minutes, but just before 5 and I gotta go. Collected a few fuses recently, so just going to check those, and that way I can get rid of the bad ones. Got a bad one there, good one here. Alright, check these two. One's bad, that one's good. Okay, so get rid of the bad one. Save my good ones. I need a couple in my pocket, kind of with me all the time. I've got a couple more in my pocket for test. This is why we make sure the unit's going good. That one's good? That one's good. Alright, so I got a few good ones. And we're all set. And AC is working good. Alright. Survived another day. Crazy. This thing. For a few and a good old pumps right at 5.
A quick search of my YouTube channel, you should find a bunch of different videos that'll be helpful to your maintenance needs. Also, there's links in the description below the videos to tools and parts used in the videos.